Welcome to Nagesh Karezgi Orchid School channel. I am Ms. Yogeshri and I am going to teach you all English for standard 3rd. Students, in the previous lessons we have seen, in the previous lesson, yes, so we have seen of lesson number 10, does, okay, the S, apostrophe S, the apostrophe S, that is belonging of, okay, of somebody, particular person belonging, his personal belonging, okay, so apostrophe S. So we have done these previously, this question we have solved, rewrite these expression using apostrophe S. So Ravi's house, the first one, the house belonging to Ravi, Ravi's house, the nest belonging to the bird, the bird's nest, okay, the book belonging to Sonia, not the Sonia's book, okay. Next one, the horns of the bull, the bull's horn, whose horn? The bull's horn. Next, the pencil belonging to Vinay, so Vinay's pencil, okay. Now this question, same, read the sentences now. Nilesh is Rahul's brother. Whose brother? Rahul's brother. Here Rahul's brother shows that Rahul and Nilesh are related with each other, okay. Next now, second, Rohini's school in Noida. So Rohini is related with the school. Here Rohini's school. Whose school? Rohini's school means the school in which Rohini studies. She goes to the school Noida, which is situated in Noida. So next one, rewrite these expression using apostrophe S. Yes. First one example, sister of Meena. Whose sister? Meena's sister. So Meena's sister, Meena apostrophe S, sister. Next, the movies in which Ranbir has acted. Yes, Ranbir's movies. It is Ranbir's movies. Yes, it is just a recap of this lesson. Okay, students. Now, the office in which Jyoti works. Jyoti's office. Yes, it is Jyoti's office. Father of Suhana. Whose father? Father of Suhana. Suhana's father. Okay. The teacher who teaches Madhu. So whose teacher it is, or whose teacher he or she is? Yes, it is. She is Madhu's teacher. So Madhu's teacher. Next one, fifth one, the movies in which Salman has acted. Salman's movies. Okay. Whose movie? Yes, Salman's movies. Next one. Yes, over here. The dresses belonging to the girls. Yes, the girls' dresses. Girls' dresses. Okay. The shoes belonging to the ladies. Ladies' shoes. Yes. Whose shoes? It belongs to the ladies. Ladies' shoes. Next, the toys belonging to the babies. So, babies' toys. There are babies' toys. And let me remind you all once more that we have already done previously also. Okay, students? We have already done this previously also. The toys belonging to the babies. Whose toys? The toys, baby's toys. Okay, the baby's toys. The bags belonging to the guests. Whose bags? Yes, the guests' bags. So whose bags they are? It belongs to the guests. Now on the same page, this question, question number D. Now we are going to see question number D. Rewrite these sentences using apostrophe, only apostrophe. Yes, this sign is called as apostrophe. Let me tell you all once more. See students, this sign is apostrophe. Apostrophe, yes, or apostrophe S. Using these symbols or these sign, These symbols we are going to use while solving these sentences, okay? So apostrophe, you are going to also use this sign, apostrophe S, okay students? Got it? Now, the first sentence, we'll just read this question, question number D. Rewrite these sentences using apostrophe or apostrophe S. Yes? Hint, they have also given us hint, see words printed in bold. Now, which words are printed, which we are going to do apostrophe, okay? The bag carried by Rahul is very big. Yes? So, the bag carried by whom is very heavy? Yes, bag carried by Rahul. So, what we are going to write? Yes students, now you all just try. Yes, Rahul's bag is very heavy. So, what we are going to write? Whose bag? Rahul's bag. Apostrophe S, Rahul's bag. Okay, over here, apostrophe S, Rahul's bag is very heavy. Is very heavy. Whose bag? We are just telling or informing that whose bag is heavy. So, full stop. Rahul's bag is very heavy or is very heavy. Next one, Rahul, apostrophe S, whose bag? Rahul's bag. Next, the office of my father is in Delhi. So, where is my father's office? Yes, it is situated in Delhi. So, my father's office is in Delhi. Yes, whose office is in Delhi? My father's. My father's apostrophe, you all are going to write whose? My father's office. Where is it? Is it Delhi? Got it? Okay, whose office? My father's office is in Delhi. So, father's. Whose office? Father. So, apostrophe F-A-T-H-E-R, apostrophe S. And do not forget to add full stop. Okay, after the sentence students. Okay. Now, the hostel of the boys is closed for Diwali. Yes? The hostel of the boys is closed for Diwali. It is closed for Diwali. Yes? So, the boys, yes students? Can you give the answer now? Yes? Yes. So, whose hostel is closed? Yes, the boys' hostel is closed. Closed for Diwali. And do not forget to add full stop. Okay students? Yes? So whose hostel? The boys' hostel. Yes, it is closed for what reason? It is closed for Diwali. Okay? The next sentence, you all are going to be with me only students, okay? I hope so you all are writing with pencil only, no using ink pens, okay, or ball pen. Yes, next one, no using your blue gel pens also students, okay, in the textbook, grammar textbooks. Now next sentence, the school of the girls is beside the hospital. Yes, now it is telling, informing us where is the school of the girls. Where is it? Yes, it is the girls school. Where is it? Yes, it is beside the hospital. Yes, next, the girls the girls school is, yes students, yes. Now girls, the girls school is beside the hospital. So where is it? Where is the school situated? Yes, it is beside the hospital. So we are going to write is beside the hospital, is beside the hospital. Yes, over. And do not forget to add full stop students, okay. Yes, so the girls, yes, girls school, the girls, what are we going to, where are we going to add the apostrophe? Yes, we are going to add girls. Yes, apostrophe over here, girls. Yes, the girls school is beside the hospital. Yes, it is particular those girls. It is the previous sentence also, the boys hostel. So apostrophe will come after boys, s, okay. And then this next sentence, the girls school, whose school? The girls school is beside the hospital, okay. Next one, please check whether the students please check whether the shoes of the students are clean or not. Yes, which are the sentence, which is the sentence in bold? Yes, so the shoes of the students are clean or not. This sentence you all are going to change, that please check whether the students shoes, yes, are clean or not. Please check whether the yes students, whether you all are going to add the apostrophe in this sentence. Yes, please check whether the shoes of the students are clean or not. Yes, you all are going to add apostrophe after students s, okay, after students s. Whose shoes? They are going to inform us, they are giving us information about that those particular students, okay. Whose shoes is it? Are they? Yes, please check whether the students shoes, yes, the students shoes are clean or not. Yes, you all are going to write in your books with pencil, no use in pen. Now I hope you all understanding. Now I'll just revise it. I'll be erasing it now. Yes, we shall do a short recap of this lesson. The apostrophe S, okay? Now, yes, the apostrophe S. A, we have finished doing this exercise. Rewrite these expressions using apostrophe. Next page 31. Yes, B also rewrite the expressions using apostrophe S, where we have to use. Yes, I hope you all are doing with me only, students. Next one, D. Next, C question, the C part. Yes, rewrite expression using apostrophe only, apostrophe. Next one, D. Just now we have done the D part, rewrite the sentences using. So now I hope that you all have understood when to use apostrophe. This is apostrophe, this is apostrophe S, when to use apostrophe S. Only this symbol is called as apostrophe. Next, an apostrophe S after the word, the particular belonging of his or her. Yes, apostrophe S. Yes, I hope you all have understood that this lesson is over. Okay. Now students, we shall see the chapters 10's animation. Yes?
Start. Read these sentences. Maria is playing with the dog. Maria's dog can talk. Here, Maria's dog means the dog belonging to Maria. The elephant's trunk is very long. Apostrophe S. Here, elephant's trunk means the trunk belonging to the elephant. Apostrophe S is used to show belonging. Read this sentence. Nilesh is Rahul's brother. Rahul, apostrophe S. Here, Rahul's brother shows that Rahul and Nilesh are related. Rohini's school is in Noida. Rohini, apostrophe S. Here, Rohini's school means the school in which Rohini studies. Apostrophe S is also used to show that something is related to another. When nouns talk about more than one thing, they usually end in S. In such cases, we only add apostrophe to show belonging. Examples: 1. The tails of the dogs. The dogs' tails. 2. The books belonging to the students. The students' apostrophe books.
Students, hope so you all have understood this lesson. Yes, we have just recalled the animation in exercise. We have just done, we have solved. We will just see with the exercise we have already done. We have solved this exercise, yes. Now, once more, the apostrophe S. So, this lesson is about apostrophe S or belonging of that particular person, yes. So, now, Manya is playing with a doll. It is Manya's doll. So, it belongs to Manya. So, the doll belongs. So, we are talking about more about Manya's doll. Elephant's trunk. So, whose trunk? Elephant's trunk. The animal? Elephant's trunk. Yes, so we have written elephant. You have seen that elephant's trunk. So, apostrophe S. Elephants. It is elephant's trunk. Now, next, S is used for the belonging or to show the particular belonging of the person. Apostrophe S. Yes. A, that is question A. Rewrite these expression using apostrophe S. Example, the doll belonging to Nisha, or it is Nisha's doll. Yes, while writing we are going to write Nisha's doll. The tail of the dog. Whose tail is it? Yes, it is the dog's tail. So, the tail belongs to the dog. The dog's tail, sorry. The next one, the house belonging to Ravi. So, Ravi's house. Yes. The nest belonging to the bird. The bird's nest. Next one, the book belonging to Sonia. Sonia's book. Yeah, whose book is it? It is Sonia's book. The horns of the bull. So, the bull's horn. The bull horns. Yes, it belongs to the bull. Those horns belong to the bull. So, next one, the pencil belonging to Vinay. Whose pencil is it? It is Vinay's pencil. Yes. Next one, read the sentences. Nilesh is Rahul's brother. Whose brother is Nilesh? Yes, he is Rahul's brother. So, Rahul's brother shows the Rahul and Nilesh are related with each other. Yes, they are related with each other. Next one, B question. Rewrite these expression. Rohini school is in Noida. Yes. So, where is it? Your Rohini school. It is situated in Noida. So, Noida. So, Rohini school means the school in which Rohini studies. Next one, apostrophe S is also used to show or to particular intimate or to show. Yes, something is related to another. Is related with another. Next one, B. Question B, rewrite using expression using apostrophe S. Yes, over here apostrophe S. Example, sister of Meena means Meena's sister. Yes, she is Meena's sister. The movies in which Ranbir has acted. Yes, whose movie is it? Yes, it is Ranbir's movie. Next one, the school in which Varun studies. Whose school is it? Yes, it is Varun's school. So, Varun's school. The office in which Jyoti works. Yes, whose office is it? Yes, Jyoti works or Jyoti's office. Yes, whose office is it? Yes, it is Jyoti's office. Next one, father of Swana. Yes, it is Swana's father. The person is Swana's father. Next, the teacher who teaches us. The teacher who teaches Madhu. Yes, so whose teacher? Madhu's teacher. She is Madhu's teacher. Next one, the movies in which Salman acted. Salman has acted. Yes, whose movie? Salman's movie. Next question now. See, when nouns talk about more than one thing, usually we use in apostrophe S. In such cases, we only add apostrophe, the symbol apostrophe, to show a particular belonging to he, him, or to that person, he or she. Next one, examples. The tails of the dogs. Whose tail? The dog's tail. Yes, the tails of the dogs. The dog's tails, apostrophe. Yes, the tails of the dogs. The dog, apostrophe S. Dogs, apostrophe. We are going to intimate that particular persons. Whose it belongs? The books belonging to the students. Yes, the whose books? They are the students' books. Whose books? Yes, students. So, students apostrophe S. Books. Next one, D. So we are going to write expression using apostrophe, only the symbol apostrophe. Yes, the dress belonging, sorry, yes, the dress is belonging. Now, whose dress is? Girls' dresses. Whose dress is? C, question C. Question number C. Yes, it is girls belonging. So, girls' dresses. Next one, the shoes belonging to the ladies. So, it is ladies' shoes. They are ladies' shoes. So, ladies' shoes. Next one, the shirts belonging to the boys. Yes, the boys' shirts. Next one, whose shirt? Yes, they belong to boys. So, boys' shirts. Next one, the toys belonging to the babies. So, the baby's toys. So, it is of the particular those babies. So, baby's toys. Next one, the bags belonging to the guests. Yes, the bags are of the guests. So, the guests' bags. Yes, they are of guests. Next one, question number D. Rewrite using sentences using apostrophe or apostrophe S. The symbol apostrophe or apostrophe S. Now see the words printed in bold. Now these words, what we are going to do, we are just going to change. Okay. The book carried by Rahul. So Rahul, the bag carried by Rahul is very heavy. So Rahul's bag is very heavy. Yes, to carry it is very heavy. So Rahul's bag is very heavy. Next one, the office of my father is in Delhi. Yes, whose office is in Delhi? Yes, father's office. Yes, you all are going to write father's apostrophe S. Yes, father's office is in Delhi. My father's office is in Delhi. Next one, the hostel of the boys is closed for Diwali. See, whose hostel is closed? Yes, the boys' hostel. So, the boys apostrophe S. Yes, boys apostrophe. Next one, the girls' school, the school of the girls is beside the hospital. So, whose school is beside the hospital? Yes, it is the girls' school. The girls' school is beside the hospital. Yes, girls, G-I-R-L apostrophe S, apostrophe S. Apostrophe, only use apostrophe after writing girls. Okay, next sentence now. The last one, please check whether the shoes of the students are clean or not. Please check whether the shoes of the students are clean or not. So, students, the word students over here, we are going to write after S, the apostrophe, the symbol apostrophe. Yes, are clean or not. I hope so you all have understood, students. Yes, when to use this apostrophe S, when to use apostrophe only, single apostrophe and apostrophe S. Okay, students. Hope so you all have understood this lesson. Okay. Thank you, students.